fuck? Like, I will defend my land with a cannon. What is up, everybody? How you doing? So, this is super funny and just very, like, limited kind of thing, but it's so perfect for people people who don't know what they're talking about and trying to sound. So this kid at I saw him get coffee at a Dunkin' Donuts, which, yes, I am from the Northeast. Dunkin' Donuts is the shit. Thank you very much. Starbucks sucks. Krispy Kreme I've had like once, so who cares? But this kid saw, it was like sitting next to me, and I went up to leave, and he goes, "Hey, nice bike, man." You know, you do the normal, like, "Thank you," you know. Oh, and he goes, you do any tricks on it?" And I'm looking at him, and I was like, "Oh, you can't see me. Why am I'm doing the eye roll thing?" But I'm like, "Nah." "Oh, well, you know, it looks like you got a handbrake setup on that thing." And mind you, we're sitting on like the left side of my bike, so the only thing you're gonna see is the left rear set, which is the fucking gear shifting, you know, the gear lever. I had a rear caliper for like stand-up wheelies on, which I can understand if you're looking at the right side, because they are gold and they do look different. I mean, they're definitely not like stock rear sets. And yes, this one does look strange because it's got a weird, like, anyone who has the Arashi, I don't know, that rear set, you see the pull, and it looks very weird because the like stock shifter goes through the frame, and that one sticks way out like that. And I have seen other people with it, and it does the exact same thing, which makes me feel good. It didn't just like not fit this bike. And then he looks at me and "Oh, what, gold adds more horsepower?" And I was like, "Yeah, now is when I leave." Like, I proved you wrong, and now you're gonna be an asshole. Peace. Like, but it just made me laugh. You know, it's the stereotypical, like, you know, "Oh, my buddy's got a twin turbo 1500 horsepower supercharged Civic that does 0 to 60 in 2 seconds," you know, like shit like that. You know, some people that just don't know what they're talking about or are trying to show off. I mean, it's the same thing. If you're trying to show off, you don't know what you're talking about. But it just made me laugh that, you know, the moment I proved, like, I was like, nah. Like, not even trying to be an asshole, just like, you know, "Do any tricks on it?" I was like, "Nah." "Well, you have a rear brake setup," and I was like, "No." Then, like, just the pure, like, not going along with what he said, he instantly became like the condescending, like, dick. "Oh, well, gold must add more horsepower then." I was like, whatever, fuck you. Just made me laugh, like how short of an interaction it was, how fucking hilariously dumb it was. "Do some tricks on it?" Like, nah. Like, I don't have any problem with anyone that does wheelies. And I know some people who have like full-on, you know, stunt bikes with skid plates and with dual calipers in the back and all that, like, you know, everything that you actually need to make it run as a stunt bike that you can do stand-ups on and shit. But like, it's a pretty goddamn, like, stock looking bike. I don't even have frame sliders at the moment. Like, come on, man. It's bone stock other than an exhaust. I mean, it's fine. It just made me laugh. And it probably sounds like a very stupid thing. It sounds stupid to me now that I'm talking about it, but it just, at the moment, I was just like, what? Like, nah, you're looking at the wrong... I mean, I can understand if you're looking at the right-hand side of the bike. If you're looking at the right-hand side of the bike, yes, the rear set does look different, whatever. But, like, there's only one lever right here. Where would where's my rear set lever? Or where's my rear brake lever? You know, like, PSA, people, if you don't know what you're talking about, ask a question. Don't just assume that you're right and then be a dick when somebody proves you're wrong. You know. Anyways, that's it. That's all I got. I just thought it was funny. It probably sounds really stupid, but it made me giggle. So that's it. Peace.